In an age where reliable power sources are increasingly valued, the portable power station 1000W, Peak 2000W, stands out as a practical solution for both home backup needs and off-grid adventures. This versatile unit is designed to deliver power when and where it is needed most, making it a helpful addition for various lifestyles. The portable power station boasts an output of 1000 watts, with a peak capacity reaching up to 2000 watts. This configuration allows users to operate a wide range of devices, from small appliances and tools to electronic gadgets. The station is equipped with multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC carport, enhancing its utility and adaptability for different applications. Whether one is looking to power a refrigerator during a power outage or charge multiple devices while camping, this power station is prepared to meet diverse energy demands. One of the notable features of this power station is its lithium-ion battery, which generally provides enhanced efficiency and longevity compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. Users will find that the unit is not only lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport, but also designed with a user-friendly interface. An integrated LCD screen displays essential information such as remaining battery life and output wattage, allowing for easy monitoring during usage. The built-in safety features, including short-circuit protection and overcharge protection, add an additional layer of reassurance while operating devices. When it comes to usage, the portable power station can be charged via a wall outlet, car charger, or solar panels, offering flexibility depending on the situation. This capability is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts who may spend extended periods away from traditional power sources. Although the recharging times may vary based on the method chosen, the option to harness solar energy makes it an appealing choice for those looking to minimize their environmental footprint. In conclusion, the portable power station 1000W, Peak 2000W, serves as a reliable source of energy for those seeking backup power solutions or a portable option for outdoor activities. With its array of features, ease of use, and thoughtful design, it caters to a wide range of needs. Whether for emergency preparedness, recreational use, or simply enhancing mobile power capabilities, this power station provides a practical answer to modern energy challenges.